Welcome to the Digital Print Lab at K-State's Art Department. In the following video, we are going to go over how to print a PDF to one of the printers in the print lab. First, make sure your file is downloaded onto the computer. Next, we're going to export this file from InDesign as a PDF as a high-quality print PDF preset. Next, we will open this PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Go to File, Print. Make sure to choose the printer you wish to print to. In this case, we are going to pick a P800 printer. Make sure to click Actual Size and keep the orientation in Portrait mode. Then go to Page Setup and click Yes. Make sure the same printer is chosen from this dialog box and choose the proper paper size. You can see here our poster is justified to the left. In order to center that poster in the middle, you should choose the poster setting. Then click the printer button and click Yes. These are the options for the printer itself. Make sure to print all pages. Go to the drop-down menu and choose Color Matching. Make sure that Epson is controlling the colors. And then go to Printer Features. Here, you should make sure that we are using the sheet feeder for the P800. That we are choosing the same size paper as we chose before. Make sure to choose the proper paper type in the media type settings. Typically, we are using an enhanced matte paper. So I will be using the Ultra Premium Presentation Matte media type. Make sure that the ink is the matte black ink. And the print mode will be Precision Dot if you're printing color. Scroll down and make sure this media type matches what you put before. Ultra Premium Presentation Matte. Keep the resolution the same. Make sure that the two media types are matching. And then press Print. You may click on the printer queue to watch the progress of your printing job. The Print Queue window will give you information on where the printing job is. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned off, your file is saved on the computer itself. When the paper cut dialog pops up, type in your username and password and press OK. This dialog may come up a second time if the job takes a long time to send to the server. Make sure to fill out the username and password both times if it prompts you to. Your print should come out of the printer. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the lab monitor or the print lab technician. The process to print to the large format printers like the Epson T3270 is similar, but we will go over the differences here. First, make sure to choose that printer, the T3270. Make sure your sizing options are chosen correctly, that it's actual size. We also want to choose the poster option to make the poster centered on our paper. Make sure the print is in portrait mode, not landscape, at 100% scale. Then go to Page Setup. Click Yes. Make sure the format is for the same printer we are using. Then go to Paper Size, Manage Custom Sizes. Press the plus button to make a new paper size profile. Double-click the untitled profile and name it with your name. Choose your paper size. The width should always be the width of the paper roll you will be using. We're using a 24-inch wide paper roll. I then usually choose a 0-inch margin. Make sure our orientation is in portrait, our scale is 100%, and press OK. Now you can see our print preview is looking more correct. Go to the printer and press Yes. Then we're going to go to the drop-down menu, make sure our color matching is in printer, and our print settings have a page setup of roll paper, our roll paper width, which in this case is 24 inches, and our media type should be matte paper enhanced matte if that is what we are using. Our print mode will be color or black and white. Our RGB source will be Adobe RGB. Our resolution can stay at 720. Uncheck high speed and check finest detail. Make sure our print preview is looking good and then press print. You may open the print queue to watch the progress. Make sure the print queue is not paused. Then you can log in to PaperCut using your user ID and password. This may come up twice depending on how long the process takes. For any questions, make sure to ask the Print Lab monitor or the Print Lab technician whose office is in the woodshop.